I'll start by showing the reflection effect on a simple image. So let's go for a rectangle. Right click, go to Format Options, and then enable reflection. It's then the case of fine-tuning these three properties. Distance is pretty self-explanatory, where the effect begins in relation to the original image. So I usually have a bit of a gap, maybe about halfway along. And then size, it's a bit misleading. I would actually call this more feathering, because it's controlling how much of the reflection is shown, but there's a bit of a feather fall off effect into the background. So you can just select how much you want to show. Again, I usually put this around the middle. And then you can control the overall transparency of the effect. So again, I usually put this around the middle so that there's a bit of a subtle reflection, but it's not too obvious. It's not too bold compared to the original image. When it comes to adding the effect onto text, what I would say is the distance might be quite far away, even if you've put this to the minimum size. This is because it's basing it on the size of the text box rather than the text inside. So you may want to resize the height of the text box accordingly. You can also add a reflection to images as well. What I would recommend is this effect likely will work better on images that have a transparent background. So something like a PNG image would work best.